Welcome friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox this, and this is the infrared thermometer. So let's start. This is the plastic cover. I bought it from amzn.to, and now I am tearing the plastic. Here it is. The first line of boxing is teared, and this is the bill, and I'm showing the price of this. The price of this infrared thermometer is 1299 rupees only, and this is the product name, TRUST USA Digital Infrared Thermometer for babies and adults with color coded fever guidance, silver. And this is the box provided by the company, and this is the logo of the company, TRUST, and infrared forehead thermometer 603, and this is the color code green and red, fever guidance. Okay, and these are the features: accuracy, infrared, memory, LCD extra large, and 2x 1.5 volt AAA battery. And this side, the features are here. You can see it, and you can use it for pediatrics and adult. And this is the specifications. The month of import is 12/2019. The MRP is 2950, and I bought it 1299 rupees only, and I got the discount from amzn.in. So you can buy it from Amazon with huge discount. And in this side, this is the user manual, how to use. Press the switch button, press start button, read the temperature, press the switch button and turn it off. And this is the TRUST logo, and this is the flag. So let's unbox it. Okay, there is another box inside it, another plastic box. Good packaging. Six months extended warranty for free. Okay, and this is the main machine. This is like a it's like a trimmer, and this is the main thermometer, and this is larger than the conventional thermometer. The another user manual: high temperature red and normal temperature is green. This is non-contact, non-touch thermometer. This is another manual, and this is the device. I am tearing the last plastic of the thermometer and trying to get it out. And now this is the main part. Here the Dr. Trust logo, and here the start button, and here the on off switch. Distance 5 centimeter, so you can measure the temperature from 5 centimeter distance, and the time is 2 seconds. Okay, and company provides 2 batteries of AAA sizes, and I'm installing the batteries to the machine, and this is the battery box. And I am switching it for the first time. Low temperature, and I am trying with my own hand. And this is reading 96.5 degree centigrade. So another turn, 96.5 degree Fahrenheit. So this is it, and I will use it to my day-to-day life. Here is a switch for body temperature and room temperature. Try it once with room temperature. Okay, and I start it. (75.2 degree Fahrenheit), and now I am trying to switch it to centigrade.